This is...
A massage device? What's a massage device for?
From massage chairs to massage tools, from senior gadgets to saw extractors. When it comes to comfort, humans never gave up trying. By 2023, massage devices come in dozens of forms. It's a market worth billions. They promise wellness, even preventing nearsightedness. To figure out how to buy,
Whether to buy besides buying them all?
we visited several factories, interviewed industry insiders, just to tell you how to pick the right massager. Massagers originated from Japan, US, and Europe. Massage patents were grabbed early on by these first mover countries, but as China's patents surged ahead, massager prices quickly dropped. Average price fell to around 450 yuan. That's 1 or 2 spa sessions. All those ads everywhere make us think it's hugely profitable, but looking at financials, compared to supplements with 68% margins, making billions in 6 months, massager leaders SKG and Beisenseng, one's pretty standard, one's actually losing money. Except for marketing, most costs went to R&D and cooling pads because consumers have too many choices and can't really try before buying. Unlike overseas where Theragun dominates, domestic massages show huge variety. From eye exercises up top, down to foot care, plus massager specialties over 20 subcategories. Different regions have their own preferences too. North China's colder temps make things tougher, so they want stronger pressure and heating. Southern consumers prefer home, use and portable. Guangdong has high sales, partly from high spending power, partly because massage quality is dropping fast. Before finding a cheap, good massager, we need to spend some time understanding.
Our dear friend, where's bothering you today?
When it comes to discomfort, there's a pattern to follow. Long hours hunched over work or gaming, your neck sends the first warning. By your 30s, pressure slowly transfers to your lower back. Standing hurts, sitting's awkward too. You start getting used to lying flat, and as you age, your knees miss long johns earlier. Your ankles start holding you back. So on this age map of pain, 8 words apply to everyone, from young to old, from head to toe. But don't panic, massager makers seem to have plenty of black tech. Just the tech we've compiled includes 2010's graphene, 2022's quantum mechanics, and other Nobel tech. But medically, the proven effective techniques aren't on this Nobel list. They're in this physical therapy textbook. Page 2 page 458's physical pressure, and page 82's electrical pulses. These 3 methods can't solve degenerative changes like herniated discs, but they clearly ease common muscle discomfort. Strip away the marketing. Choosing massagers is basically choosing massage methods. Girls can handle cold foods, maybe Eastern and Western medicine still disagree, but when it comes to heat and hot compress, both sides actually agree. Heat boosts local blood flow, works great for non-acute pain. Easy to achieve, became standard in popular massagers, so they all heat up. The difference is huge. Unlike medical deep penetrating far infrared, massagers aren't medical devices. They follow national standard 4G06-2005, small appliance standards. This means during design, manufacturers can be very flexible. Quality depends on their conscience. Take heating mainly uses heating film and red light. Most top brands have stricter standards for heating area, uniformity and temperature control, while cheap ones use heating wires that cost pennies, causing uneven heat with heat assistance. Most physical massage devices aim to replicate therapist techniques.
9-day, tapping, rubbing, kneading.
But how exactly they replicate it and what they use, consumers can only guess. So we took apart all our massagers. Devices under 200 yuan use screws, rods, or airbags to simulate tapping and pressing, while products over 400 yuan mostly use quieter brushless motors with rotating wheel mechanisms, achieving therapists like 2D movement. These blood-boosting muscle relaxing techniques are widely used in back support products. Besides the brand differences, it's at different price back supports, mainly different number of massage heads and movement types. Most mainstream rotating products are actually quite similar inside. Very little difference in experience made our blind testing hard to do.
What's the difference here?
But to simulate firm yet gentle, the uniform, smooth 3D grip technique of 6 star therapists, that's much harder. Using motors to recreate this technique needs more gears in the gearbox. plus multiple linkages in the mechanism, working with massage heads for complex 3D motion. Though it's not as smart as real hands, it reaches about 70% of a therapist's skill. Human-like structures usually appear in premium brands over 350 yuan. Of the 3 shoulder products we bought, the actual principles aren't really different. The main difference is in the system's clarity design and the massage head material. Knockoff products might lack proper fit, so practical too thin, it'll slip off. Too thick, it hurts when pressed. The last method is the new electric pulse tech. Unlike Professor Yang, who treats internet addiction, Professor Yang, who wrote this therapy textbook to let you get zapped safely, zapped comfortably, zapped confidently, found tense that's medically proven to block pain signals, and EMS that stimulates muscle contraction and relaxation. 2 types of pulses. For effectiveness, medical research and testing labs have issued reports. From our actual experience, compared to heat therapy, you feel instantly, and pressure massage, these mid-frequency pulses work directly on deep muscles. Long-term use shows better results than manual pressure. Since there's no complex mechanical parts needed, electric pulse massagers are much lighter and way simpler in design. Mainly neck, hanging types, and massage belts. They're pure electrode models, and mid to high-end ones that combine pulses with vibrating contact points. Since the tech barrier is higher, not many brands make pulse products. Mainly SKG with the biggest share, and others. Price gaps are pretty wide. Normal electric pulse sensation should be slight trembling with mild tingling.
It's quite comfortable.
Pretty nice, actually.
But pulses get affected by body fat and skin moisture, plus how well it fits. Like in dry northern areas, you'd need some gel. Different pulse massagers, besides pulse count and electrode pad differences. The bigger difference is actually the pulse modes. Using medical pulse therapy devices as reference, we chose 5 different brands at different price points and tested their waveform differences. Medical pulse therapy's mid-frequency waveforms actually cycle and change over time periods over 1,000 Rs per second, plus many other specialized pulse waveforms. Cheap products under 50 bucks use simple on-off switching to create massage effects. The pulse itself can't be adjusted, so you might get stuttering during use, which really makes you not want a game. Mid-range products around 200-300 start using modulated waveforms. Voltage changes gradually instead of sudden spikes at 600 plus. Dual pulse mid to high end. More variety too. Wave types and shapes match pro equipment, plus new forms like contact vibration and mid-frequency pulses. From 7 yuan up, higher prices mean stronger Liping properties. Save it for New Year's. Electric family, electric leaders. Once you get the principle, your choices narrow down a lot. But before buying your massager, I'd suggest seeing a doctor for pain first. No massager can treat degenerative conditions. Since massagers are a new category, there's still no proper standards. We're being pretty cautious with recommendations. But luckily we're in Shenzhen, where industry leaders cluster for many new products, introduced higher industry standards. That's Shenzhen standard. It tests more dimensions. With higher standards too, whether it's our recommendations or prioritize Shenzhen standard products. Thanks to Shenzhen Standards Certification Alliance's letter, no massage device company could refuse our visit and study. We also off-site help from professionals.
Thank you gift. We invited these professionals to try the high-tech stuff. Alright, I'm Lihan, one of this episode's researchers. Next, I'll share based on teardown tests, newbie experiences, and professional opinions.
Here's a complete buying guide, but due to advertising reasons, I won't mention specific brands or models. First, direction 1. Top-tier brands and products. Their safety, noise control, and user experience are definitely better than. Plus, they have physical stores, so you can try before buying. Let's start from the beginning. Since eyes are extremely sensitive and fragile, we don't recommend using any products that press on the eyeballs. We recommend prioritizing air cushions and contact points that touch the eyes. Vibration-based products mainly, usually 300 yuan and up, you can get decent products. If your fatigue's focused on the neck, we'd recommend neck hanging electric pulse massagers. They target the neck area better. With long-term use effects might be more obvious, since mid-range products might have pulse stability issues that affect the experience. Our recommended price point is 400 yuan and up. For lower back massagers, between back cushions and belts, we'd recommend wearable pulse belt types, more portable and form-fitting than cushions, with broader use cases. Same as neck massages, 400 yuan and up, you can get premium brands. But if budget's tight and you just want basic relaxation, consider getting full-body, family-friendly back cushions. Most of them have versatile rotating massage heads, plus some tapping features. Since this category is so mature, don't need premium brands, mid-range products work fine. There are downsides though, they're heavy. Back cushions have limited use cases. Some areas might feel just okay. Finally, for knees, legs, and feet, it's mainly physical massage. Common knee products have heating, airbags, and vibrating compression. Full foot products go with ones that combine vibration, airbags, and rollers, mechanical foot. These two categories, the best products are priced around 400 to 800 yuan. Higher priced products are more like luxury gifts. This is our new show format for popular new product buying guide. It keeps the data testing and real device teardowns while quickly giving you an overview of the whole industry. If this video helped you choose a must, please like and subscribe. Hit that triple combo